This is the iPhone 15, and from the moment you open the box, it already feels familiar, but also slightly refined. Inside, you get exactly what you expect: the phone, the cable, and that clean Apple presentation that never really changes, but somehow still works every time. As soon as you pick it up, the first thing you notice is how light and balanced it feels. The edges are smooth, the finish is clean, and it just sits naturally in your hand. Looking around the phone, everything feels precise. Nothing loose, nothing cheap. Even the buttons have that solid, muted feedback when you press them. The SIM tray fits perfectly into the frame. No gaps, no movement. And when you tap on the back, you get that dense, solid sound that tells you this is built properly. Moving to the front, the display is bright, sharp, and very fluid. Scrolling feels effortless, animations are clean, and everything responds instantly. Even simple things like watching a video feel smooth. No stutter, no delay, just consistent performance that you don't have to think about. When it comes to the cameras, this is where things start to stand out more. The main camera captures a lot of detail, even in simple scenes. Colors look natural, not overprocessed, and the overall image feels balanced. The selfie camera is surprisingly good as well. Sharp, clean, and very usable in almost any lighting condition. Video is where the iPhone really feels strong. Shooting in 4K at 60 frames per second gives you that smooth, stable look that's hard to beat. During the day, everything looks crisp and well exposed. Motion is handled perfectly, and the footage feels ready to use straight out of the camera. At night, things are still very usable. Lights are controlled well, shadows keep detail, and the overall image stays clean without falling apart. And after using it like this, just casually, without pushing it too hard, the iPhone 15 feels exactly like what it's supposed to be. Fast, smooth, reliable, and very easy to use every single day. It doesn't try to impress you with crazy features. It just works, and it works well. And sometimes, that's exactly what you want.